Cordial greetings. This is my job interview.
What is your name?
My name is Fabian Andrés Pantoja.
How old are you?
I am 33 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Imues. This is a municipality of Nariño.
Are you single or married?
I am married. My wife's name is Claudia.
Do you have children?
Oh yes, I have two children, Sofia and Fernando. They are my life.
What are you studying?
I am studying industrial engineering at UNAD. I really like this career.
What are your hobbies?
My favorite hobbies are filling crossword puzzles and playing soccer.
Where do you work?
I work in my municipality in a brick factory. I am the plant manager there.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Oh yes, I was born in West Nariño. I studied at the Maria Luz Educational Institution. I was a good student, but I could not continue studying for financial reasons. If I had money, I would already be a professional. Now I am married, I have two children, and I study industrial engineering at UNAD.
What are your strengths?
My strengths are I am very responsible person and I like to do things well. I also like to work as a team and I have leadership.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is that I have afraid of breaking up with people.
What is your biggest achievement in life?
My biggest achievement in the life was to contribute ideas for to change of process in the company and thus go from being a day laborer to being the plant manager.
Why do you want to leave your job?
I want leaving my job because I must change cities.
Why do you want to work for us?
I want to work for you because your company is very well known and I have the skills for to work here. Thank you very much.